Guys, today Picanha Steak Sandwich. Some salt and pepper. Ask your butcher to cut to picanha steak or buy in supermarket. Very hot pan. As always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel or check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. We are not master chef, but we cook a bacio. We're gonna use just one pan, some oil. We go in. First, I do the steak because I want to gonna rest a little bit, okay? This is gonna cook around 2.5 minutes per side. Add a couple pieces of butter. It's already done. In the same, I put this spinach and some spinach. I'm gonna toast a little bit. A touch of salt and pepper. Okay, leave 1.5 minutes more to cook. Put this in the plate. Any bread you like. Brie, just I'm gonna put on the bottom, like this. Cut thin like this. It's easy to eat. Wow, adjust the steak. Beautiful. I forgot to put the feta inside. It's good when it's a little bit warm, you know, the feta melt inside. Feta, spinach and pineapple on this. There's this roast artichoke. Just, this is a little touch like this. And now, the sauce I prepare for this is very easy. It's some Dijon mustard, lemon juice, a little touch of water, and I mix everything. With this lemon and water, the Dijon mustard is absolutely wow. I go on, press a little bit, again the pan on, butter, again, and press a little bit, okay? And leave it to cook from one side to the other side, a couple minutes per side. It's gonna be nice and gonna make that crust. We cut it. Wow. My picanha steak sandwich is this. If you like, always finger up and follow us. Ciao!